Good morning! So it's the 29th of March and we're sort of stuck on the C-Link in traffic. Jerry is with me. I'm dropping him to work and headed to Radio 1's office, 94.3. If you remember in last week's vlog, I showed you how Annie came over and shot a makeup tutorial for you guys, which is up by now, I'm pretty sure. And today I'm going over to the Radio 1 office to take over an hour of her show. And I'm pretty pumped about it because I feel like being an RJ has always been on my bucket list, one of those things that I've loved to try, and I'm getting to do it today. So yeah, I'm gonna go there. I'll keep vlogging while I'm on air as well, hopefully, and I will also obviously continue this vlog into the rest of the week. A few events are coming up. The Clinique event is one that I'm excited for. Tomorrow is going to be the Nike event, which again is supposed to be a really cool event. The Kiss My Ass event. And a few other dinners here and there. I will keep you guys updated along the journey. See you. So I just spent some time with the show producer who works on the content and everything for the show, and since I'm going to be hosting an entire hour, I took some notes on the kind of things I can talk about. Of course, I want to talk about me being a blogger, and I think that this whole job switch thing is super fun. This also reminds me that I've been toying with the idea of enabling a lot of people to find jobs within the industry, but more details on that later. For now, I think I'm just really kicked about this. I'm going to be on the air for an hour later today itself between 3 to 4 p.m. So in case you don't follow me on Instagram, Snapchat or Facebook already, I'm going to make sure I give you the details again so you can. Yep, I'm going to head to the studio now and record the session for later today. See you guys. Say hi.
Heyo.
I'm about to go sit in Annie's chair and play with all those buttons while I record for the show later today. I think I'm really excited to play with those buttons.
It's your sheet, these are your headphones, see how you sound.
How do I sound? I sound husky in live.
Which is good.
Is it? Test. Yeah, I sound husky. Hi everyone, you're listening to Mumbai On Demand with me, Anam, on 94.3 Radio 1. And if you're wondering why Annie is missing, it's because I've basically hijacked her show. Okay, I'm joking. I haven't hijacked her show. I'm basically participating in the job switch with Annie. Hello. You're listening to Mumbai On Demand, and this is still me, Anam, on 94.3 Radio 1. It's been a really fun hour. Job switch has been so interesting to me because I think that swapping with Annie has easily been one of the most fun things I've done around this time of the year. It's only about the first half of the year and I think it's been a fairly exciting year already. Got married, turned into a temporary RJ, and I don't know what's next. I mean, chocolate sandwich over here at the Radio 1 office. And this has to be one of the most delicious things I've ever had. It's really yummy. Hi guys, good morning. Last evening I had to stop vlogging halfway through the day because a lot of stuff happened. My best friend's mom got rushed to the ICU and there was just too much happening, and obviously I don't want to vlog about all of that. I don't want to get into the details of it, but I hope that those of you who are watching will say a little prayer for her. Hopefully by the time I upload this video, she'll be out of the ICU, out of the hospital, and absolutely fine. I was supposed to head out for an event this morning. I was really excited about the Nike Kiss My Ass event, but I just woke up with this sore throat and I have this really throbbing headache, and frankly I don't have the energy. I'm just feeling so beaten. I just don't have the energy to get up and go across the city for this event, and I would really want to. And I really did want to go for it. I had my clothes picked out, my rochers pulled out and everything, but I just don't think I have the energy. I'm just not in the mind space for it, and I'm really genuinely I think I'm getting a fever. I'm gonna rest this out. I have a friend who's coming over who has a really big interview today and I need to do her makeup for it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm probably gonna go back to sleep because, like I said, just not feeling anything this morning. If I do step out or if I do anything today, I plan on like at some point editing the videos. I put up a post yesterday on Instagram saying I need to edit 3 videos. Obviously I didn't end up doing that. Maybe when I get up today and if I feel better, I'll finish editing those 3 videos. But for now I'm just gonna like peace out. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm actually feeling a lot better today. I've been watching Gilmore Girls non-stop because there's nothing to do while I'm awake. Every time I get up to sit, this body ache makes me lie back down, which is obviously not a great thing, but I genuinely am feeling so much better today. It's my friend's daughter's first birthday and I'm really hoping I can make it for that. I'm gonna rest some more in the day today and then maybe try and make it there in the afternoon.
This is probably the second time I've got plans for anyone. The first time also for a girl.
Aru came to see me and I'm gonna show you guys what care package she got from me.
Bye!
Bye! See you!
See you!
Aru just came to visit me and she got me this really sweet care package. She got me flowers. Please ignore the really messy bedsheets. I've basically been in bed for 3 days. So she got me what I know is Nutella and sea salt cookies from Swedish House Mafia, which are my favorite, and you will know that if you follow me on Instagram. Aww, she got me my favorite Kinder Joy. What else is in this? So sweet. And there's something else. Croissant. Thank you, Aru. So after spending 3 days cooped up at home, almost 3 days cooped up at home, I'm finally out and about. I'm driving, I'm in Andheri, and I'm going for my friend's daughter's first birthday party. So I'm really excited for this. And Kirat is absolutely adorable, and I'm happy to go and wish her, and now I need to drive. See you guys in a bit. Aru and I are at Taj Vivanta in South Bombay for the Elle Breast Cancer Awareness Carnival. Hi guys, we just left the Elle Breast Cancer Awareness Carnival and we're on our way to Prithvi Theatre. God, Neither of us have ever been there, and we're letting go of our Prithvi virginities together.
For the vagina monologue.
For the vagina monologues. First we came for the breast cancer carnival, then we're going for the vagina monologues. This is turning out to be quite a day. So yeah, we're going for the vagina monologues. Hopefully we'll grab a bite before that, but I cannot vlog anymore in case the signal turns green, which it just did. Okay, bye.
What would you do?
So in like school, right? Like in school, I think this was in like the 5th or 6th standard or whatever, and we didn't have like CD burners at home, right? So I used to pay this guy to burn CDs for me. I remember I used to pay him 90 rupees if there were English songs, and 60 rupees for Bollywood songs, and 80 rupees if they were both. I remember this very clearly. I used to save pocket money for this, okay? And 3 songs I had on playlist back to back were Powerless, Dido, White Flag. I think there was a Britney song, Toxic, and the song that I can't remember is the Avril one. I can't remember which.
The one with the park and everything. And the
I can't remember the Avril, the name.
But it's not Skater
It's not
Boy.
Skater Boy. And I can't remember the name. Maybe we'll like check. So Aru and I are at Prithvi Theatre, and after waiting on the wrong side of the line for a bit, we realized we need to get to the actual line. So, but we're okay, we're not that far behind. Like, just this much. It's a snake basically, in short. And obviously I'm not going to be able to film anything inside.
You better not. Like, we're never going to be allowed to come for any play after that.
Okay, basically see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, it's Monday afternoon. I just got done with a couple of meetings. Also did a shoot for a video that I'm going to upload really soon for Instagram. I woke up with a really bad headache, and I think my cold is coming back, which is definitely not good news. But yesterday was really nice. Oh my god, the vagina monologue play was so amazing. If it's ever playing around you, near you, even if you don't have company, go watch it, even if it's by yourself. I've been wanting to watch it for years, and I finally went and watched it with Aru yesterday, and it was absolutely amazing. I have a lot of things to finish today before I go out for a meeting again in the next 20 minutes. So I'm grabbing a quick cookie. I just had lunch, so I think I deserve dessert. And gonna have this cookie and rush out. Normally I close my vlog on Sundays, which would have been yesterday, but really not much happened last week because I fell sick. So I think I'm going to take this vlog all the way till Friday, Saturday, because then on Sunday I leave for Goa, which will be a separate vlog. See you guys soon. So today Jerry is trying to make dosa for me for the first time all by himself. How's that coming along? Flatten it some more. Yeah, good. Yeah, stop. You're good. Don't try to break the egg. What are you doing?
Like a master chef, yo.
Over, didn't ask for it. He's been hoping to be discussed it in one night.
Jerry and I have made it 30 minutes in advance for our meeting because we overshot the traffic estimate. We should have checked Google Maps. Never lets us down. But yeah, we're here. We're gonna get to work because we might be doing something together. And then I have lunch after this. And then I have one more meeting after this. I have lunch in between and then another meeting. So today's gonna be a day of meetings. The 9th of 4th April, I've been working a lot. I'm sitting down to watch Gilmore Girls and have some butter garlic prawns that Mama and Papa got for me from Jai Hind, which are super yummy. I'm gonna sit and eat. It's the 5th of April and I'm on my way to Ministry of New in Fort. I'm headed there for the doc with Leo Burnett about content, and I'm really excited for it because like it's my first corporate talk. A lot of you asked me about this lip shade that I'm wearing on Instagram, and I have answered a lot of you. It's Sephora's 01 Always Red, the liquid lipstick, but right now I'm also wearing it with a lip liner which is from MAC. It's called Cherry, so it's looking like a hint of pink just below all that red. I'm going to be going to get my hair colored after this talk. I'm going to be headed to the Matrix office, the L'Oreal office in Lower Parel, and I'm going to document the whole thing for you in a blog post. I can't wait to share that one with you because it's been over 3 years, I think, since I colored my hair last. These ends that are still looking colored are from 3 years ago, and I'm like really, this one hair sticking out, and I'm really excited to do my hair color after all this time. Hi guys, so my talk with the Leo Burnett team went really well. I had a lot of fun and I hope they did too. I'm on my way to Lower Parel right now, headed there to the L'Oreal office because it's time to get my hair colored. I have sort of already picked out what I want to do with my hair, but I think I'll only finally decide when I meet the hair expert over there. By the way, I have this really cute pink package with me that the Leo Burnett guys gave me. I can't wait to get home and open it. Hi guys, so I'm at the L'Oreal office. I have Fayaz here with me. Say hi.
Hi.
And I just met with Melroy, who's the head of the department, and I'm going to be coloring my hair, and you guys know how excited I've been for this. So I'm going to let this camera keep recording as we go further. We have some really exciting colors and things lined up. Keep watching. So it's done, and I know you guys can see it, but I still haven't seen it. I think it's time for the big reveal. So my hair is all colored and I have some really cool updo going on. I know you can't actually see the color right now, maybe that's why I'm shooting it in the Uber. I'm off a family dinner right now, so I'm going to show you tidbits of that before I close the vlog. I was supposed to go to Goa over the weekend, but that got cancelled because some urgent work came up at my husband's workplace. But I am going to show you the hair color before I go away tonight and close the video. But you have to keep watching to know what it looked like. We're at family dinner at Sassy Spoon. Everybody say hi in my vlog. Who's there? Who's there? That's my mom. Who's there, she says. FaceTiming with someone. Say hi in my vlog. Hi guys, so I'm back home and I'm absolutely loving my hair. I'm going to add the photos of what the hair looked like. I'm gonna end this vlog tonight and maybe start a new one tomorrow. I've been ill through the past couple of weeks. I won a coffee hamper today. I colored my hair today. The past 10-12 days or so have been really exciting, and this vlog might land up being a little longer than I thought it might, but super fun. I will see you guys in the next one.